Hello everybody, this is Mr. Carter, District Technology Coach here with Blocksi. Now in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a filtering policy for your class. So let's start off by saying that this is not 100% necessary, okay? This is just if you want an extra measure of control past what's already in on the administration point of view in terms of filtering content for kids in your building. So let's go ahead and hit this three little line box here, and we're going to go to policies. So a policy is going to be something that controls a lot of different things, and I'm going to go through this, and this will be a two-part video. First of all, it's going to control web filter. Now, web filter is going to be able to tell, you're going to be able to set what categories of content you're going to want your kids to have access to. It's going to have its own specific block and allow list. So you have an extra measure of what you want those kids in. So now I've labeled this first one math class. You know, maybe the block and allow lists are related to math and math related content, where maybe you're going to allow things like Khan Academy, but block things like cool math. Content filter, okay? These are just specific categories. Applications, these are Google applications. So you'll be able to block things like Gmail. These are YouTube category filters, YouTube block and allow, keyword filter, and safe search should always be on in the administration level. So I'm going to show you how to go down through, and we're going to do the first, four in this video. So let's talk about the web filter. We're going to go right up to there and hit web filter. Now I've already created one. Let me actually take that out. We'll call it math filter. Then we're going to hit create. Then in order to edit it, you hit that little pencil. Now you can see that every one of these categories are now allowed. Now some of these are blocked at the administration level, but you can go through and block them on your level as well. So adult mature content, we're going to block all of that. We're going to block all of that. Actually, it looks like I accidentally put a warning there. Let's block it all. Looks like bandwidth consuming. We're going to block that. And let's block that just for the sake of demonstration purposes. We're going to simply hit Save Changes. So now we have a math filter up and running. Now, block and allow list. So let's just say we're going to still talk about math. So let's call this one math class. We're going to hit Create List, and we're going to edit it. It gives you some examples of what you can kind of type in that will help, okay? So let's just say we want to make sure that Khan Academy is open to our students. We're going to hit Allow. We're going to add it to the list. But we want Cool Math to not be on that list. So we're going to block that. Now, as you can see, you can change these and update them as you need. Maybe you want to allow that one day and block it a different day. So we have a content filter done. Application filter, as I said, is more about Google. Let's just put math class here. We're going to hit create filter, and we're going to edit. So maybe we just don't want them in their Gmail, and we don't want YouTube on for that day. That's it. Now, in my second video, I'm going to talk more about the YouTube filters that are built into your policy. But so for right now, we set a web filter where we block specific categories. We set a block and allow list for math class. We did not do a content filter yet. Oops. Now, content filters are just going to be keywords. So maybe it is unblocked games. Or let's do unblocked, and then we'll do games, and maybe we'll do sports. Now, this will filter out any searches and stuff that involve those keywords for your content filter. And we did the application filter, where we can allow or block certain things. Now see my second video where I will go over how to use the YouTube filters, and I will go over how to apply this to your session inside Blocksi to monitor and filter your students' content. I hope this helped. Enjoy your day.